Pat Finucane's family has fought for more than 3 decades for this day. They believe there was high-level collusion between the British state and the loyalist gunmen who killed him. Several previous examinations of the case found there had been collusion, but the family insisted that only a full public inquiry could get to the truth of what happened. Northern Secretary Hilary Benn met Mr Finucane's widow Geraldine and other family members in Belfast last night. In the House of Commons this afternoon, he said a public inquiry was justified because previous British government commitments to hold one remained unfulfilled.
It is for this exceptional reason that I have decided to establish an independent inquiry into the death of Patrick Finucane under the 2005 Inquiries Act. I have, of course, met Mrs Finucane and her family. Mrs Finucane asked the government to set up a public inquiry under the 2005 Act, and as I've just told the House, the government has now agreed to do that.
Geraldine Finucane and 2 of her children this afternoon welcomed the announcement, alongside solicitor Peter Madden, who worked with her husband.
I believe that my family deserve this after so many years. Pat Finucane deserves this after so many years. Society as a whole deserves this after so many years. And after 35 years of cover-ups, it is time for truth.
The Irish government backed the family's long-running campaign for a public inquiry, and the issue was discussed by Taoiseach Simon Harris and British Prime Minister Keir Starmer when they met in Dublin on Saturday.
I do think it is an encouraging sign from the British government of a more sensitive, responsive approach to these issues of the past, and I hope that's something we can build on.
This decision today, I think, represents a vindication also for 2 fundamental principles: the rule of law, and also that the voices of victims be heard. And the voice of the Finucane family has been heard.
Sinn Féin described the announcement as a landmark day for the Finucane family.
Full credit to Geraldine Finucane and to the family and to many people who walked this journey with them, and it's been a long one.
The Northern Secretary has said that after such a long period of time, he now hopes the public inquiry will begin as soon as possible.